Hey everybody, I hope you all having a good day, good night, good morning, whenever time you watches this. I hope you're doing great. So today I had a day off and I finally managed to start the action in tidying up the balcony. I went out today this morning to get some compost for the plants because my plant is in dire need of some love. We had the builders on the building for about 2 years. So my plant was just all my plants was just struggling really badly. So today was a good day. It wasn't hot. It wasn't freezing cold, even though it was cold, but it wasn't freezing cold. And my balcony is quite long, you see. So I said to myself, today I'm gonna start the process of getting all these everything off the balcony and sweeping it up. As you can see, I was just sweeping it up and throwing out stuff that I just chuck on the balcony during the winter. So yeah, I was just doing all of that. Then I went to the shop this morning to get some compost. That's what you call it, compost or compose? Yeah, some dirt. I get some dirt. I got some compost to put in the flower pots, because the pots they all had compost in there, but I feel like some fresh one would have gone nicer to cover it. So that's what I did. I got some fresh compost. I was doing some digging up some. So I just took everything that was on the balcony and I threw it outside. So I took all the plants and the pots that I'm not using. That one was broken, so I just throw it out because no make no sense keeping it there, to be honest. And I also I didn't buy any plants today. I went to the nursery to get some, but I didn't get any because I said to myself, I don't know how these plants will grow. With my plants that I already have, these plants, all they need is some fresh compost and a little bit of water, and they grow crazily. And I love those plants. So I said to myself, you know what? They're still blooming, so I'm gonna just you carry with my same plant, just give them a new bed, like obviously dirt and stuff, and let them grow and water them and care for them because they're so lovely. And once they grow and they get that, it's so lovely. You have to see to believe it. There are some lovely, lovely plants. So I was just tidying up the balcony and doing my bit because I really miss the whole gardening thing. This is me trying to clear up some stuff there. It was a bit cold outside, but it wasn't freezing. So I had the chance to just be outside in my little shorts and that. But yeah, it was a good day today. So I enjoyed the video. And I hope whatever you're doing, you're having a good day. And I hope you get a chance to dig up some dirt, turn it over, and make something beautiful. So enjoy spring. And it's officially spring. So yeah, enjoy. lay some stuff on the balcony and it look more pretty for the spring. So let me get this out of the way before I start doing anything else. I think it needs to go deeper. I think it needs to go deeper. Deeper. That's a little bit better. I do love gardening. It's so therapeutic for me. Love it. Got that stick there. So obviously I can't fix it. Oh, my legs, girl. My legs, child. I bought these a while back. I'm gonna replant this one. It's a little bit bendy, but should do. Don't forget, don't overwater your plants. You know, you don't need to overwater them. Good. I feel like the plants are saying thank you, my babe. I really do feel like the plants are telling me thank you because they've been out here all winter. And by themselves, not getting any love, and now we just come back. I do love to give my plants love, you know, but because we had the builders, so and there was scaffolding stuff and stuff, so they didn't get much love. But look at them now; they are going to blossom. Going to get all the love now.